Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into one of the most essential skills for any home project, hanging drywall like a pro. Whether you're renovating a room or finishing your basement, these steps will help you achieve a flawless finish. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about materials and tools. You'll need drywall sheets, drywall screws, joint compound, drywall tape, and sandpaper. As for tools, grab a utility knife, a tape measure, a drywall saw, a T-square, a cordless drill, a putty knife, and a sanding block. Got all that? Awesome! Step 1. Measure and cut your drywall. Measure the wall space and mark your drywall sheets accordingly. Use your T-square and utility knife to score the drywall, then snap it along the score line for a clean cut. For outlets and fixtures, use your drywall saw to cut out precise openings. Next, it's time to hang the drywall. Start from the top corner and work your way down. Secure the drywall sheets to the studs using your cordless drill and drywall screws. Make sure the screws are slightly indented but not breaking the paper surface. Repeat this process until all the sheets are up. Now on to taping and mudding. Apply drywall tape over the seams between the sheets. Then use your putty knife to spread a thin layer of joint compound over the tape. Let it dry completely before applying additional coats. Usually 2 to 3 coats will do the trick. Sand each layer smooth with your sanding block before applying the next coat. Finally, the finishing touches. Once the last coat of joint compound is dry and sanded smooth, it's time to prime and paint your walls. This step not only makes your walls look great, but also seals the drywall to protect it from moisture. And there you have it. You've successfully hung drywall like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tackle more projects and improve your skills. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy building.